Welcome back to 3 News at 6. Chief Meteorologist Betsy Kling joins us on this Sunday. It's a busy week for a lot of folks.
It is, and we have rain that is still coming down now. Snow is soon to move in, and as we head through the next few hours, you can see when that changeover takes place. It's happening very soon, actually, over the next few hours. So expect temperatures to fade back into the 30s by midnight, and that is where we will stay tomorrow. I'm just going to come right out of the gate with tomorrow's forecast. We are going to hold in the low 30s. Don't look for the mercury to move all that much. Lake snow will start east for most of the day tomorrow. It will linger, and then we'll have cloudy and blustery conditions elsewhere. Really, we're just hammering in on areas to the east of Cleveland for tomorrow morning. Our sweep is going around. We do have rain that is coming down in the area, and we'll continue to have these scattered showers as we go through the evening. Expanding the picture, you can see where that snow is off to the west of us, so that cold air is beginning to sweep into the Buckeye State. Meanwhile, we still have rain showers ongoing out toward the PA state line area. This is a pretty significant push of cold air, and it's not just impacting us, it's also impacting the upper lakes, and that kind of sets the stage for us for our chances for this snow as we head through the next couple of days. So let's go hour by hour here over the next 60 hours. I'm going to show you the big picture, and then we'll come back local. So we have the rain right now, and as our storm system spins through, you can see how we start to get the wind lining up off of the lake. So that's going to turn on some lake effect snow bands. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Notice that this is basically Cleveland and eastward in the primary snow belt areas. Eastern Cuyahoga, Lake Geauga, Ashtabula counties. There could be some periods of heavy snow. Probably going to start the day with some slushy muck on the driveways. Your steps, decks, and porches could be slick tomorrow anywhere in northern Ohio because of the rain we had tonight and temperatures dropping into the below freezing range to start the day tomorrow. By 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, that lake snow is still ongoing east, but notice how we're starting to see that band lift back just a little bit. That is because we have a wave of energy that will be dropping south. This is the problem, because Monday night at 9, you can see that band beginning to drop south into our primary and secondary snow belts, and then it kind of holds there all night into Tuesday morning. So we have a period right now, Monday night into Tuesday morning, where we're going to see some pretty decent snow rates coming down, and it's going to linger. Then by Tuesday afternoon, we should see that breaking up a little bit. We're not done with the lake snow, however. We're still going to see snow, but it's not that heavy snow. And then by the time Wednesday rolls around, it's all out of here. So scattered snow Monday, heavy snow Tuesday, and we'll be clearing out through the day on Wednesday. That is certainly the good news. How much and when? Well, primary belt lake effect snow Monday all day, okay? Elsewhere, just clouds and cold. We'll start to see primary and secondary snowbelt snow. So that goes Lorain County, Medina County, Cuyahoga, Northern Summit, Northern Portage, and then on up into Lake Geauga, Ashtabula, all the way Monday night into Tuesday morning. And then through the afternoon Tuesday, it becomes just more scattered and periodic snow in the primary and secondary snow belts. So we continue with the rain tonight. 6 o'clock in the morning, stop the clock. Notice these temperatures in the 20s. Remember, your steps and decks and porches could be slick tomorrow morning. We have that lake effect snow that is coming down. Lake Geauga, Ashtabula counties, even eastern portions of Cuyahoga County. So 90 is going to be a little rough tomorrow morning, and State Route 2 as well. That continues through the entirety of the morning commute. We really won't see that band moving all that much. So I'm expecting maybe 3 to 6 inches of snow tomorrow during the day in our primary snow belt areas. Then by Monday afternoon into the evening, that's when that band is going to start to break up. It's almost like the lake is breathing in before it starts to fire this big band Monday night, and that band drops south. This is when we start to see it laying it down. Monday night and Tuesday. I'm going to stress that a lot because I think a lot of people are not going to be anticipating that. So early Tuesday morning, that heavy band kind of sits here over our primary and secondary snow belts. This is 8 a.m. Notice we still have heavy snow that is coming down. We'll see it breaking up, though, by Tuesday afternoon, and then we'll start to see that snow beginning to shift back into the primary snow belt areas by the time Tuesday evening rolls around. All the while tomorrow, we have very gusty winds, and that's going to drive down the wind chills. Look at our wind chills in the teens tomorrow. That will repeat on Tuesday, and we're throwing in the snow. How much? I know this is what everybody wants to know. Keep in mind it's lake effect and focus on the impacts, not the numbers. Just a light dusting possible with scattered flurries farther south, but in our primary and secondary snow belt areas, this is through Wednesday. So this is the whole cannoli here. From Lorain down to Hudson and over toward Warren, maybe a coating on the ground. 3 to 6 inches for west siders of Cuyahoga County, down into northern Summit County, Macedonia area. And then once you get into that primary snow belt, 6 to 10 likely away from the lake. Closer to the lake, it'll be less, but you can see our bullseye right there in the Chardon area. Right where it's supposed to be, right? Heart of the snow belt. Winter weather advisory for Cuyahoga County, Monday night through Wednesday morning. Lake snow warning from Monday through Wednesday for our primary snow belt. Whew, it's going to be a lot, everybody. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast. We'll stay cold for Tuesday with that temperature right around 30. We turn the switch around, though, on Wednesday with partly cloudy skies back to 40. All that snow starts to melt. We still have a lot of wet conditions around on Thursday, even though the skies will be partly cloudy with upper 40s. And our next chances for rain roll in here on Friday. We'll have another chance for rain that gets in here on Sunday. So, Neil, definitely a lot going on in the next 48 hours.
Yeah, the whole cannoli, you said. I like that one. I might take that one. Coming up